I thought Rhodes would be the highlight of this trip. Until I arrived in Symi. Just a short ferry ride from Rhodes, this tiny Greek island feels completely different. Colorful neoclassical houses, crystal clear water, peaceful little streets, and one of the most beautiful harbors in Greece. In this video, I'll show you what Symi looks like, what to do here, beaches worth visiting, food spots, and whether a day trip from Rhodes is actually enough. The best way to visit Symi is by ferry from Rhodes. Depending on the ferry, the trip usually takes around 1 to 2 hours, making Symi one of the most popular day trips from Rhodes. And honestly, the moment the ferry enters the harbor, you immediately understand why people fall in love with this island. Symi's harbor, called Gialos, is famous for its colorful houses climbing up the hills above the sea. What I loved most about Symi is the atmosphere. Compared to larger Greek islands, everything here feels slower, calmer, and more authentic. There are no huge beach clubs or chaotic crowds everywhere. Instead, you get narrow streets, local tavernas, fishing boats, and hidden corners with amazing views. It's the kind of place where you don't really need a plan. Walking around is part of the experience. Symi feels like one of those rare places where time slows down and you finally remember how to just enjoy the moment. Things to do in Symi. Explore Gialos Harbor. The main highlight of Symi is definitely Gialos Harbor. This is where most visitors spend their time, walking along the waterfront, taking photos, shopping for souvenirs, or stopping at a cafe with a sea view. Kali Strata Steps. If you want one of the best views on the island, walk up the famous Kali Strata stairs connecting the harbor with the upper town. It's a bit of a climb, especially in summer, but the views are absolutely worth it. Beaches and swimming. One thing Symi is known for is the water. It's unbelievably clear. Some of the most popular beaches and swimming spots include St. George Bay, Nanu Beach, and Petty Beach. Many can be reached by boat taxi, which is also part of the experience. If you visit Symi, definitely try local Greek food by the sea. The island is especially famous for Symi shrimp, tiny shrimp traditionally served fried and eaten whole. Even simple meals somehow taste better with this kind of view. A lot of people visit Symi only as a day trip from Rhodes, and honestly, even one day here is worth it. But if you have more time, staying overnight might be even better. Once the ferries leave, the island becomes quieter, slower, and even more magical. If you're visiting Rhodes and wondering whether Symi is worth adding to your itinerary, I'd say absolutely yes. And in the next video, we're exploring Rhodes itself, from historic streets to beaches, and everything that makes it one of the most popular islands in Greece. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe and tell me in the comments, would you rather stay in Rhodes or escape to a smaller island like Symi?